go. Let's get going with our drum. So I have the drum set up in front of me, just like we talked about in the previous video, and I have my drumsticks. So there are lots of ways, I suppose, you could hold the drumsticks, and you might see different styles. I've seen this before. I've seen this before with both hands. Okay, and when people play drum set, there's other ways you can hold the drumsticks. So our basic way that we're going to do it, if you hold your hand out like this, I'm going to take the drumstick and place it diagonally across your hand, and then I fold my hand around. Same thing with our other side. I lay my hand out, put the drumstick diagonally across, fold my hands around, and I have it. So now our hands are around here. I'm gripping it like I'm holding a baseball bat, perhaps. That's not exactly what we want to do with the drumstick. So my grip, I'm going to take my fingers and curl them like this, and then I put my thumbs behind them. So I'm going to come in a little closer so you can see my hand for the drum grip. And then, when I have my fingers curled, I take them and I separate the sticks like this. So I'm going to hold it up so you can see it. If you look at that, it looks like the letter V. When I'm looking at it like this, it looks like the upside down letter V. Okay? Out the back of the drumstick, there's a little bit sticking out beyond our hand on each of them. I bring it to the drum. I want to keep the tips of the drumstick about an inch off of the drum, and we're ready to play. All right, so one of the first things that you can do is practice just hitting back and forth, going right, left, right, left. So let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. Very steady. You don't want to rush it. The most important part of the drummer, everybody's responsible for this, but one of the most important parts of the drum section is to keep a steady beat. Whenever you play, we have to play with a steady beat. So when you're practicing, you want to keep that. And it really is as simple as counting 1, 2, 3, 4. When you count to 4, you probably wouldn't say 1, 2, 3, 4. You would count 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's practice that. This time we're going to do 4 hits with our right hand and then 4 hits with our left hand. Let's try it. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I find it very helpful to actually talk and count while you're doing it. So here we go. Here's one exercise that you can do. Spend maybe 30 seconds doing this, and you're just going to do 4 rights, followed by 4 lefts, followed by 4 rights, and so on. I'll demonstrate. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on, as long as you're keeping a steady beat. After you've done 4 rights and 4 lefts, try 3 rights and 3 lefts. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And so on. After you've done that, try 2 rights and 2 lefts. Ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. After you've done that, try 1 each. Ready, go. 1, 1, 1, and so on. It is a lot of fun to play fast, but that's not what is important right now. The most important thing is for you to start developing playing with a very steady beat. A lot of what we will learn this year is based on what you've already done in music class and doing rhythms like we do here, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. So you've played those on sticks in music class. Here we would play ta, ta, ta. And that's how we'll start developing our rhythms and our playing, okay? So during the week, practice those things. Practice 4 rights, 4 lefts, 3 rights, 3 lefts, 2 rights, 2 lefts, 1 right, 1 left. Spend, maybe 5 to 10 minutes doing that, repeating that, trying to get a definite sense of rhythm, and you'll be set for when we start moving into the book and we start developing our skills. All right, drummers, great job. See you next time.